Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sign in here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, as you can see, I'm using the Adobe Express website, and for you to be able to sign in is very easy. Click this button right here on the upper right corner, and it will lead you to this page we're in. All I have to do is provide the email address associated with your account. All right. But the thing is, if you encounter any problems signing in within your account, all right, you might want to click this button right here that says Get Help Signing In. All right. So you see, you can have two options. You can enter an email address or phone number you may have used with Adobe, and they will try you to find it. All right. Second option is you might want to click the option for resetting your password. Of course, you just have to provide your email address to reset your password, and Adobe will give you instructions for that. All right, it's very clear. For the first one, just go to here, enter your email address or phone number with the country code you have used before, and they will try to find your account. But once you are logged into your account, if you have successfully logged in, you should be able to access the homepage without any problem. And from here, you can, of course, create your own design by pressing on this button right here. You can start your own content, upload your own files, or if you want to browse thousands of amazing designs here in Adobe Express, just click this button right here. You also have the option to click your own projects in the left side panel of your dashboard. Click your stuff and click the design that you have been working on, right, from this section. In my case, I'm going to be clicking this one. For example, I'm going to be clicking this work. It would lead me to this design that I have been created. And if I wanted to publish this or save it, you might want to go to the share option. You have the option to download it and save it to your cloud or share it to your client or boss so that they can see the amazing design that you have created once you have successfully signed into your account. All right, click the download button. You have all of these options for these amazing formats. And again, if you're having problems signing into your account, do not hesitate to contact the Adobe customer support for any problems. All right, so these are going to be some of the channels where you can reach them. They also have a small chat bot here where you can type in your questions to see if you get an answer. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.